Hey guys, welcome back. I cannot wait to unbox this with you guys, partially because I want to play with it so very badly. So what I have here is the Fancy Pants Designs Fruitcake and Tinsel collection kit and the rest of the goodies that come with it. Then once I unbox it, I get to create a couple layouts with it and share it with you. So guys, it's pretty and nostalgic and totally getting I don't know, like that retro vibe. That Fancy Pants is so good at grabbing the retro vibe in the right way. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean. So let's get right into the papers, then we'll look at the goodies. Okay, so Fruitcake and Tinsel collection kit. Included in the kit, there are 47 pieces. You get a 12 by 12 double-sided papers. There are 6 designs and you get 2 of each, and you get the sticker sheet. And apparently there's 35 pieces in there. Who knew? All right, let's grab what we have. I cannot wait to share these treasures. The very first piece of paper, it is called Perfect Poinsettia. Can you tell why? Do you guys see that gorgeous pop of hot pink in the background? And then this distressing that you see right here. Oh my gosh, is it gorgeous? Absolutely stunning piece of paper. Yep, that's I said it. Absolutely stunning. And then the next piece. Oh my Lanta. Okay, let's talk about this piece of paper. First of all, it's getting 1982 preppy vibes. Sorry, my phone got funny. So it's doing this 1982 preppy vibes. I was there. I was young, but I was there. We've got like this kind of like distressed kind of feel, or it's not that it's distressed. It looks like a textile. Very cool. So that is the hot pink. Oh my goodness, how cute. This one is called Pleasing Pines. So really funky pine trees. Loving the like texture background. There are polka dots in that textile vibe. We have got some font work that I love and little paint splotches, and they are like funky little pine trees, like happy, funky little trees. And the flip side, this is like so much of this collection is fab because, you know, you've got the strong holiday vibe, but guys, you can use this for 5 bazillion layouts and you're happy every single time you use it. Now it's that super hot pink and there's touches of blue on it as well. Love it. So far, it's my favorite piece. I love him. Okay, next one. This one is Reindeer Rejoice. Do you guys see the happy little jumping reindeer? We've got different shades of green on here, from like celery green to this really saturated pop that is a stunner. Love. So cute. And the flip side to that one, guys, look at this. Once again, one of these pieces that would be gorgeous for Christmas, for Valentine's Day. I could totally 4th of July this. So like stunning piece of paper. Bravo, Fancy Pants. The next piece of paper, this is Woodland Flora. Guys, look at the mushrooms. Do you see how stinking cute they are? I mean, and these colors right here, they are picking up a little bit of an autumn vibe. We have got the pine cones. I mean, it's stunning, it's gorgeous. And if you want to get your fussy cut on, like you can so easily, well, not easily, depends on how much you like to fussy cut, but you can get these bits out because they're not all intertwined. Some of them are, but some of these pieces you can just cut. Oh, look at the little oak leaf. Look at that little oak leaf. Cute. So picking up like that tweener autumn vibes into the whole winter season. Then, oh, but wait, there's more. This is the backside. So did I miss something? All right, making sure. So that's Reindeer Rejoice. Want to make sure. Yep, I'm doing a good job. Okay, we're doing well. This is the flip side. This looks like folded paper or a folded textile. But guys, look at this work, this artwork in here. It looks like paint. It's scuffy. It's distressed. Got low-key grunge going on. Stunning piece of paper. Love that. Then this one's called Mid-Century Merriment. Look at it. We've got hexies or diamonds, depending on how you look. We have got things that are they on a diagonal? Are they giant diamonds? Are they little diamonds? I don't know. You decide. Super gorgeous. Love, and it's got almost like a kaleidoscope vibe. The backside to that is a diagonal stripe. Now, diagonal stripes are my favorite of the stripe world. So great for matting. We've got a little bit of like bluey, inky paintiness in some of the corners. The whole piece looks like it's on a canvas or something. Absolutely stunning. Can use that for anything. So can use it. And then this piece, oh, this is cool. This is called Ephemeral Christmas. Guys, we have got this big stag head, all these advertisements. We have got this gorgeous sleigh that you can fussy cut out. Super pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then the backside to that one, we have got this deep kind of cherry red. It's a little bit of text here, a diagonal stripe in limey greens. Love it. And then the sticker sheet, let's see what we have. So look at the kitty. You see the little kitty? Oh, look at this. We have a little bit of an orchid. Okay, let me put it down and we can discuss. This is a tag. We have got postage stamps, another tag here. We have got nice little journaling spot kind of things going on. Guys, this is stunning. Oh, do you guys see this little rabbit on a sled? So cute. And our kitty that we just talked about has a Santa hat on. Looks just like Santa's hat here. It's super pretty. It is gorgeous. The artwork, like there's a little butterfly here, guys. You can totally use that for Easter. Look, I don't know if you can use that for Easter, although like if you live where I do, it has snowed on Easter. True story. Okay, the next thing for me to show you, these are the foam stickers, and these pack a punch because we've got our texture and dimension difference going on, right? They're on white foam. We've got Old Saint Nick here. We have got this gorgeous tree, this sweet little doe. We have got not like DOE kind of doe, just so you know. Oh, there's that kitty again, a gift, snow globes. We've got some florals popped in here. Oh, look at this little, it's actually, it's like a fawn. Cute, because it still has a little dots. Oh, a little cupcake. The bunny is doing its thing. Little florals. Look at the Woody with the giant snowy Christmas tree on top. So super gorgeous pieces there. Then I have got the enamel stickers. Love the color story, guys. This icy blue is stunning. The cherry red. We've got some teal. Perfect little finishing touches. Then I've got 2 different packs of ephemera, guys. And if it's not your bag to see all of the pieces of the ephemera, I'll show you the back. Here we go. Screenshot, etc., etc., right? And then let's see what we've got in here. Okay, there's a ton of pieces. I'll just do my best. We'll go from there. Is that fair? I think, you know what? Let me get a white tray while I've got it handy dandy, and I will just scrap right off of that tray. Hold on. We don't want to have like a catastrophe here because we've got so many things going on. All right. I will pop them right in the white tray, and so then when they spread out, who will know, right? So we've got our sweet little doe. Look at the baby, so cute. Little Christmas trees. Things will fall. It'll be fine. Don't know if that's a gift or if it's a letter. We'll find out as we go. We've got little leafy beds. Ho, ho, ho. We have got, oh, a snoring bulldog in the background. A sweet little tag. Oh, look at the nostalgic little kitty and the hollies and berries. Little florals. Ooh, look at that. So it is a T and an S. I bet if I actually looked at the packaging, I would have an idea of what's going on. No, I don't know where I put the packaging, so never mind. All right, we've got, like, it looks like the top of a tag. Santa. Here's that sweet mushroom. Here's an S. Is it Christmas? It's probably Christmas. Christmas countdown, 25 days. Look at the poodle. Cute. hot cocoa. And these little bits that look like circles, those all pop out, so it'll totally look like tickets. And we've got a snowflake and florals and a sweet little tree. The word or the letter H, we're getting closer. Sweet little nostalgic, like, you know, they're a ceramic little Christmas tree. A nice little like ticket or journaling spot. Ooh, a butterfly, pretty. Christmas, oh, cozy Christmas memories. Another floral and a leafy bit. I love that you can use this for something that's not just for the holiday. Like go off, of course, use it for the holiday, but you can still keep using it. A black and white sleigh. Leafy bits. Are you another? Yep, another nice little snowflake. Look at this piece. Does it go like that? Does it go like that? I think it goes like that. Cute. Little leafy bits. Snowflake. What do we have? A mushroom? It's got to be a mushroom, right? Mushrooms. Like, but super cute mushrooms. They have little hearts on them. That would be the Christ. We're getting there. STMAS. Yes, we're going to get there at some point. Okay. Oh, well, a tiny little floral piece shot off my desk that way. It actually looked like one of these. So we've got itty bitty little floral pieces all around the world in one day. Cute. Merry Christmas with a bicycle, a stag head, leafy bits, a little tree. Cute. Then black and white branches. Oh, looks like a little snow globe or like one of those things that's like a glass dome and you put it down on top of a wood piece. Like one of those like pieces that are multi-dimensional and they, you know, wobble and fall. Yes, that's such a great explanation. I know. A little pine cone, a mushroom cap or a mushroom, not just a cap. Oh, we've got the C. And then little florals. So I think what you're seeing, look at me. I think what you're seeing is that these are packed, just packed, and they're beautiful. Oh, look at the little sweet dough in hot pink. Those two definitely have to go together. Nice little, it looks like a bottle brush tree. Cute. Oh, and another little tree. So you make a whole little scene and a gift. Little mushrooms. I need MA for the mass. Oh, here's an M. This is very exciting, guys. And then more gifts. And then let's see, we have got a larger mushroom, happy days, sleigh ride, extra ticket pieces, little sand. Oh, look at the little arrow hand. Cute. So y'all, tons and tons and tons of little sweet ephemera pieces to play with. I love them. I think they're beautiful and gorgeous and amazing. Okay, I'm gonna scooch that to the side. And then this side has these pieces in them. And they are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And in this pack, there's 64 pieces. So I already see on the very top is this piece that has a postcard on it, which is getting a couple of these pieces off. Okay, so let's take a look. You guys, look at this member's ticket, 1952. Then we've got a doe and a stag, some little floral bits, little circular bits. There's so many interesting things that you can tuck and tuck and layer. Look at this postcard. Gorgeous florals. There's that sleigh I liked so much. It's beautiful. We've got ornaments. The fun little cupcake. So cute and bright. Ooh, I have a picture that looks so much like that to scrap. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna see if I can pull it out. So much nostalgia. A leaping, well, that's a stag. Looks like one. Santa, I can explain. Uh-oh. Some more florals, ornaments, that sweet kitty cat. That looks kind of like our kitty Earl. Holiday cheer. Oh, what's this? Look, I love sweater weather. That's hilarious. It's a little squirrel and a sweater, of course. We've got this sweet little girl. Have a meowy Christmas. Do you guys have pictures of your cats like attacking inside the tree? That would be hilarious. Not, yeah, that's happened for us. We've got a stag scene there, some little floral bits. And guys, look at this pine tree. So once again, there's pieces and pieces, guys. We have got this cute little file folder, a bow. There's one of those pieces that are the multi-dimensional pieces. They're 3D actually. Little bits that you can tuck. Ho, ho, ho. What's this? Oh my gosh, is that one of those really gross like Jell-O salads from back in the day? My grandmother had a whole wall of the molds for these. They were horrible, absolutely horrible. There's a nice stag, sweet little bunny on the sled. We have got poinsettias, these gorgeous ticket pieces. The artwork in this collection, it's stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, almost done with this. And then I can get creating with these goodies. Baby, it's cold outside. Little bits. I mean, they're so cute when you have tiny little pieces. And then, you know, you finish it off with your enamel dots and the whole thing is like, bam, done. Merry and bright. Have a holly jolly Christmas, etc., etc., etc. So absolutely gorgeous pieces. I love them so much. Look at this little candy cane right here. It's such a sweet little piece. And then what's this? Happy New Year. And what's a little, is that like a little cake? So cute. So that's what I have to share with you guys. This collection is beautiful. I'm going to just separate my two little piles and get my create on. I hope you like this collection as much as I do. I cannot wait to use these sweet nostalgia pieces. Like I said, I have a couple of photos I think would be beyond perfect for this from back in the day. So I'm going to get creating and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.